Okay, listen, school is already a struggle, but some days the universe just chooses violence. So there I am, sitting in class, minding my own business, when suddenly I feel it, a sneeze, but not just any sneeze. Oh no. This one was building up for like 10 years. My face starts twitching, my eyes are watering, I'm making that awkward pre sneeze face, and then boom, I let out the loudest sneeze known to mankind. I think I shook the desks, the windows rattled. I may or may not have scared the teacher. And then silence. Everyone just stared at me, like I had just transformed into a dragon mid class. Even the teacher stopped writing. One kid in the back whispered, "Bless you," like he wasn't sure if I was still alive. At this point, I'm already dying of embarrassment. But then my best friend, my so called ride or die, decides to make it worse. She turns to me and says, "Dang, did a demon just leave your body?" I was done. The whole class burst out laughing. Even the teacher was trying to hold it in. Meanwhile, I'm just sitting there rethinking my entire existence. Moral of the story: never trust your friends. Sneezes are evil. And if you ever feel one coming in class, just drop out. Okay, tell me in the comments, what's the most embarrassing thing you've done in school? Please. I need to know I'm not alone.